third time na bumalik sa United Kingdom sa loob lang ng 1 taon.
Wow! Ang yaman!
Wonderful. Kasi September po ako na pumunta noon dito. Ano pa lang, August pa lang. So nakakatatlong balik na ako. Kung bibilangin ko yung alis namin pupuntang Iceland at bumalik ako ulit, pang-apat talaga siya technically. Di ba? At talagang na-excite po ako dahil na kapag nakakita ako ng mga Pilipina na nakakapangasawa ng ibang lahi. Totoo. Kasi po, kaya po ako nandito sa UK.
Ito na naman kami.
Wala pa nga akong sinasabi. Nakaka-insulto naman kayo. Tatawa lang kayo pag nagpapatawa ka, pero kapag wala pa ako sinasabi, huwag naman kayo tatawa. Nakatingin kayo sa mukha ko, natatawa kayo. Masakit. Kaya ako nagpunta po dito dahil naghahanap din po ako ng makakapareha. Kasi alam naman po natin na sa Pilipinas, yung mga lalaki po doon, mahilig lang sa magaganda. Tama, di ba? Nagpabayad na ako, ayaw pa. Sabi nga, pag nagpabayad ako, yayayain ko, gumagano, pas na muna. Alam mo, tagay ako. Kaya naman po ako na-inspire na pumunta po dito sa United Kingdom dahil unang-una ang babait na mga lalaki dito. Hindi tumitingin sa panlabas na anyo. Diba, kapag mahal ka ng lalaki dito, mahal ka niya talaga. Tama, mali? Tama. Tama. Kapag ang mga lalaki dito na nabighani sa'yo, okay na sa kanila kahit ano ka pa. Kaya nga ako natutuwa. Dahil alam ko yun din ang dahilan kung bakit kayo nandito din. Naghahanap din kayo ng pagmamahal. Meron ka ng asawa, wala na. Ano ba dito? Wala na? Naghiwalay kayo o wala na? Nilibing mo na siya. But I would like to excuse myself, ladies. Excuse me, sir. I'm so sorry if I'm speaking in my native tongue, for I can speak in English the whole night through. My English is kind of epileptic. After 5 minutes, I will make me sign like that. But I want to get your name. What is your name?
Nigel.
Nigel. How old are you?
58.
58. And then we say, 58. You know what, Nigel? What I like about the United Kingdom, the whole things here are different. You don't call sidewalk, you call it pavement. Am I right? Yes, I am right. You don't call cigarette, you call it fag. You don't call flashlight, you call it torch. You don't call toilet, you call it blue. You don't say happiness, you say happiness. And you don't say lovely, isn't it? You say lovely, isn't it? Because since day one, since August 1 that I am here, I'm kind of learning things like how to speak in English the way. Before, I didn't know how to speak English. All I can say is first floor, second floor, doors closing. Mind the gap. But now, I am so really interested in your language. You don't call GPS, you call it sat-nav. You don't call elevator, you call it lift. And kanan, right. The left and the right. Hold them apart so clean and bright. Clap them softly. 1, 2, 3. See? know about it. Have you ever been to the Philippines?
Many times.
Many times. Have you been to Boracay?
Yes.
What can you say about Boracay?
It's a great beach.
It's a great beach. You should see my mother. My mother is a greater bitch. Boracay is just a bitch. But my mother, one of the greatest bitch of all times. Well, you know why? You know why? Because my mother is a distant cousin of someone who is really famous here in the United Kingdom. Yeah. They're not the queen. He is a he. My mother's cousin is a guy who's very famous in the United Kingdom. Because he knows the prisoner of Azkaban. We have seen the goblets of fire. My mother's cousin's name is Harry Potter. Because my mother, she's also a Potter. That makes me another Potter. That's why my mother is a great bitch. Well, have you been somewhere south? Like, have you explored, you know, the southern side of the parts of the Philippines? Have you been to Mindanao? No. Don't go there. People there are very friendly. Once they have you, they won't let you go. Actually, I am a representative of the province of Mindanao. My name is Salvi Ampatuan. No, really, I am really serious. You should visit that part, especially Zamboanga, because you've just seen Boracay, but you've never seen Dakak. You know Dakak?
Dakak Beach?
Who knows about Dakak?
Dakak Beach.
Dakak Beach. Dakak. I've been to Dakak. Dakak is so good. When I get bored, I sit on Dakak. On the white sand beach of Dakak.
Yes.
Ay, hindi pa sinasabi ko yun. May Dakak talaga wala. Meron.
Meron.
Dakak is so beautiful. Sometimes I stare at Dakak. You want? If I go back, let's go to Dakak. And let's sit together. We watch the sunset. You know what? The sunset in Dakak is very good. Very nice. Well, again, Nigel, the reason why I am here, I would like to introduce myself to you. I am Kim Idol. I am a comedian from the Philippines. I started being a comedian when I was 21, 2001. Really, I'm 34 right now. And I have this huge break when I became a part of Eat Bulaga from 2009 to 2010. I quit Eat Bulaga for a year. Why? Because Bossing Vic impregnated me. Nabuntis po ako ng Bossing. Actually, that's a joke. And when you go back to the Philippines and you want to watch me, I regularly perform in Clarence Quezon Avenue and Zirco Tomas Morato. And I can say this to everybody who's going to buy my photo, because in a little while there will be a photo op. Meron po tayong picture taking mamaya. Meron pong autograph signing. At wala po akong pipirmahan kung hindi po kayo bibili ng litrato ko. 2 pounds lang naman. Paano lang kayo bumili ng soft drinks? Huwag ko na masama ugali. Para po sa charity. Mga kaibigan, bibili niyo pong picture ko ay mapupunta lang po sa charity. Charity po ang pangalan ng kapatid ko. Para po sa pag-aaral niya. Ha? Bumili na ako, itas na nga yung bibili ng picture ko, 2 pounds lang. Sino magtataas ka mo? 50 lang yung dalawa, mas madami pa kayo. Ang hindi bibili, may sumpa. Magkakaroon ng anak na kamukhang kamukha ko up to the 3rd generation. Lord, kayo na po bahala. Promise, kahit hindi na nire-regla, magkakaregla ulit. Hindi bibili, promise. Sige na 2 pounds lang. Ang may napakaliit naman nun. At syempre si Miss Geneva Cruz, meron din po siyang album na dala. Ito pong album na ito, hindi pa po na-release sa Pilipinas. Kayo po ang isa sa mga unang magkakaroon. At syempre magkakaroon po kayo na magkakaroon na magkaroon kayo ng autograph niya. And going back to what I'm saying, I'm performing in Clarence Quezon Avenue and in Zirgo Tomas Morato. I regularly perform with Ate Gay. Magkatandem po kami. And soon, babalik po ako. Baka po kasama ko si Ate Gay or baka si Ate Gay na supportahan niyo naman po siya. Ha? Para lagi pong may show. Nakakatawa po yung kaibigan ko. Sobrang galing. Tinuruan po niya akong mag-mash up. Sino po may kilala dito kay Ate Gay? Tinuruan po niya akong mag-mash up. Ano po ba yung mash up? Yung kanta, mag-iiba pero pareho ng tunog. Tapos mga kaibigan, dito kung kakantahin mo ngayon, isa po sa mga tinuro niya sa akin. Actually, ang kakantahin ko po, may bukas pa. Pero dahil nandiyan ka, mas maganda kung mawawala ka. Yung kakantahin ko, kung mawawala ka ang title. Kung kanta ni Ogie, kung mawawala ka, hindi ko makakaya. Kasi kung kanta ni Ogie, ang daming katunog. Actually, ako ng mga kanta ng Filipino, maraming katunog. Ano yung kanta ni Bruno Mars? Maraming katunog. Kasi Filipino, si Bruno Mars. Diba? Meron siya yung, may kanta si Bruno Mars, Just the Way You Are. May katunog yun na ibang kanta. When I see your face, it's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing,
Just the way you are.
katunog ng when I see your face, may baril, walang bala, may pusa, wala naman pera, just the way you are. You know, nasa isip niya, hindi ko akalain na nandun pala siya. Yun ang magkakatunog? Grabe niya si Bruno Mars eh. Pero ang kakantahin ko po ulit, kanta ni Ogie Alcacid, it's a song, kung mawawala ka. At mag-iisip po ako ng katulog na kanta. Kapag may nag-isip po ako, papalakpakan niyo po ako na may kasamang higawan. Okay, for the effort. Music please, palakpakan naman po.